Hey geometry students, so today we continued with learning about isosceles triangles and their properties with sides and angle relationships. So I'm going to go over this problem number 14 from your homework. So the first thing we have to notice is that this angle right here, 144 degrees, with this angle will add to 180 degrees. So we're going to call this angle here y. So we'll go 180 minus 144 is going to give us this angle y right here. And so 180 minus 144, well, that is just 36 degrees. So this is 36 degrees for this angle right here. So then notice that this angle plus this angle right here, since this is a right angle, are going to add to 90. So 90 minus 36 is going to give us this angle right here. So 90 minus 36 is 54. So that tells us that this angle right here is going to be 54. Now we have to use our properties knowing that these two sides are congruent to tell us what this angle is. So these two angles are both going to be 54 since the sides that are across from them are congruent. So that angle will also be 54 degrees. Then, since the angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees, 54 plus whatever this angle is going to equal 180 degrees. So we're going to call this z just for the sake of making it easy to write an equation. So we have 54 plus 54 plus z equals 180. So combining those, we get 108 plus z equals 180 minus 108 minus 108. We get that z is 72. So if this is 72 degrees right here, this one plus 72 degrees add up to 180 since they're a linear pair. They're both along this line right here. So since these two are going to add up to 180, and this angle 2 right here is also represented by this equation, we can go 72 plus that equation, so 10x plus 8 equals 180. And that's how we're going to solve for x. So 72 and 8 add up to 80. Minus 80 on both sides. That gives us 10x equals 100. Dividing by 10 on both sides tells us that x is 10. So our answer for number 14 is that x is 10. So just kind of as a recap of what we did here, we know that these two, 144 and this angle y, are a linear pair, so they add to 180. So 180 minus 144 gave us 36. Then these two are complementary because this is a 90-degree angle right here. So these two add to 90, so 90 minus 36 gives us 54, this angle here. Then these two angles are the same because these two sides are the same. And these three angles add to 180. So this angle in the corner here is 72. And then 72 and angle 2 add up to give us 180. So that is how we solve for x and get x is 10. Thanks for watching.